So, imang lokang sadevakang, samarakang, sabrahmakang, sasamana brahmaning pajang, sadeva manusang, sayang abinya, sachikadva pavedeti. He, or this one, I think we can just say he. And now what we want to do, we start to see here, imang lokang, we start to see accusative singular, masculine accusative singular cases. So we know these are objects. We know, I should have said, so is masculine nominative singular. This is a subject, and we're getting into some objects. If we have objects, then we probably are going to have a verb somewhere. And so we will look here at the end, and this is sort of the standard Pali prose order, is that the verbs are put at the end, kind of like subject, object, verb. And we actually have a couple here. We have two absolutives and we have a finite verb. So he, abinya, and I think that's from abhijanati, having known sayang for himself, having, and here's another absolutive, a different looking sort of absolutive, sachi katva from sachi karoti, having, tend to translate this as like having seen with his own eyes, having done with his eyes. He makes known, maybe declares. I don't know if you could say proclaim. I like proclaim because of the pa here. But maybe he having known for himself, having seen with his own eyes, makes known. He makes known imang lokang. He makes known this world. And I think what we have to understand is something that comes up in Pali and other places, yata bhutang. He makes known this world as it really is, not as we normally understand it. He makes known this world, sadevakang. Now this here means something like along with or just with. Deva, we probably all know, God. Devaka would mean something like Devik. And so along with, the way I kind of understand this is he proclaims imang lokang, this world, sadevakang, along with the Devik world or realm. The way this is typically translated is makes known this world along with, or maybe we can leave that part out, but just say with its devas, gods, however you want to say that. With its devas, gods. Just so we know, I really think this is an adjective. Again, I could be wrong, that it's kind of modifying lokang. So, but I think that this way of translating it makes sense. With its maras. It's maras. It's gods of death. And there's usually more than one. I think that these, we'll see this in a minute with Brahma, that these are more like offices that different beings can hold. One Brahma may at some point become, may fall to a lower realm, and another being rise as a Brahma, so on and so forth. So that's why I think that this is, we often see this as plural. We don't know that it's plural here. I mean, with its Mara, we could say, I suppose. Sabrahmakang, with its Brahmas. And by the way, of course, that's not Brahman, with its Brahmas. And now here the pattern breaks a little. We have really Pajang, which is like a generation, and sasamana brahmaning. That's why we're getting this ing here. Pajang, I believe, is feminine, and so this is an adjective modifying pajang. So along with, or just with its, I'm going to be a little freer here, generation of ascetics and Brahmins or priests, along with, or just, he makes known the generation, what kind of generation, the Brahma, the Brahmic sasana. This is a little harder to say, so I just kind of go like this. I hope that is not deeply offensive to anyone. And then Sadeva Manusang, with its gods and men, or humans. That's the way I would take this part.